The original idea I had when I wanted to create my first car was to also prove it on a race.
The GT1 class was built around road-going supercars, evolving some of the world's most iconic performance vehicles into purpose-built race cars.
And the GT1 Racing Round 2 found this amazing track, built racing at its finest.
So the original CCGT was very much a skunkworks Koenigsegg project. We didn't have a big budget for it, so we had a skeleton crew led by one of our top engineers, Dag Belenius, who really was a genius and had a knack of figuring things out, reading the regulation, also doing the craftsmanship themselves, with only 2-3 people helping him, converting the chassis, the bodywork of the CC8S and CCR into the CCG. Unfortunately, right when we had finished the car, they shut down the series.
Today, November 6th, 2011, marks the end of an era. What a race, ladies and gentlemen, the final GT1 World Championship.
And as a celebration of this effort, I'm very proud and excited to introduce
The Koenigsegg CCGT1.